Um, all right. Okay, I think I'm ready. Anything you can think of before I put us?
Are you good to go?
Okay. Going to admit all. Okay, good morning. Welcome to County Court 9. Today, Monday, April the 25th. I'm going to ask you all to remember, after I mark you conferring and you have had a chance to talk to the state, when you come back, please use the hand chats exclusively to let me know that you've already conferred and I can go ahead and hear your announcement. That way I'll be able to let you go sooner than later. And because in this sea of videos that I'm looking at, it's really hard to pick out people. So the other thing is we do have a plea docket at 1:30 every day, Monday through Thursday. If you have your paperwork submitted to the court, it's already been completed. You're welcome to join us at 1:30 and we'll do your plea. Just sort of give us a heads up so we'll know to pull that paperwork and we'll have it ready. All right, Deputy Butler, will you please make your announcements?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. County Court 9 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Gloria Saldana presiding. May I remind everybody that this is an actual court proceeding, not a Zoom meeting. Being recorded on the record and live on YouTube. Make sure you conduct yourself at all times as if you were inside this courtroom. Remove hats, no eating, drinking. Any conduct that you must do that does not pertain to this proceeding, please disable your video so it does not distract this proceeding. Attorneys, make sure you have attorney after your name so the judge can distinguish you between clients and yourselves, so she may call on you. If your name is not displayed as your real name, leave the meeting. Underneath the Zoom ID, you can erase iPhone or Zoom user or whatever it shows. Erase that, enter your full name, please, then return. Let's have a good day today. Thank you.
Thank you, Deputy Butler. All right, we do have a jury trial docket today. I'm going to call that first. And so I'm going to call on Mr. Michael Goins.
Yes, Your Honor.
on Milius, Stephen Milius.
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to confer if I'm able to.
I'm going to mark you conferring, and I'm going to give you a reset date of May 16.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, so you'll be able to leave after you are finished conferring.
Thank you,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
And your client is not here because he was on the trial docket, is that right? Or is he
That's
here?
correct. That's correct,
Okay.
Your Honor. I have him, he's available for you if you need him.
No, that's fine. I think that I had told you all that you didn't have to bring him for the call docket. So,
Okay.
all right. You have a good day, Mr. Goins. Thank you.
You too, Your Honor.
Jerry Kagan. Robert Maurer.
Judge, I'm sorry, Attorney Kagan's case was dismissed.
Thank you. All right. All right. Robert Maurer. Ashley Morgan.
Hi, Judge. I'm present.
Morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. I'm on Saul Gallegos.
All right. And you also,
655.
okay, go ahead.
655-754.
All right. And it's set on our trial docket, and that is being reset to May 16.
Okay.
Would you,
I just,
would you like?
Mr. Yes, I would like to confer, please.
All right. I'll mark you conferring. Thank you. Ms. Tran, will you put Mr. Goins and Ms. Morgan in breakout rooms, please?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Cole Nettles.
I'm appearing for him, Judge. This is George Manning. So on our cases, I'm seeing them at the bottom of page 1. One of them is Joseph Ferristique, 634-621. That one, it looks like he's coming back at 1:30 for a plea, and they work something out. Then right beneath him is Mr. David Johnson. Same situation where he'll return at 1:30 for a plea.
All right.
And then finally, we're announcing ready for trial on one that's towards the bottom of page 2, and that's Miss Crystal Guajardo.
Okay. Unfortunately, we're in a period of transition, so I'm trying to reset this to the earliest trial date that we have, and that will be May 16.
Okay, well, we'll let her know. I appreciate it.
All right. Would you like to confer on that since you are here?
Judge, I think we'll be okay just announcing ready, just because frankly, I'm covering for Cole, and I'm not her attorney, so I'm less familiar with the circumstances and facts. But if anything can be done, we'll reach out to the state for sure.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Manning. That's all you're here on today?
Yes, Judge, if we may. Thank
You
you.
have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
Ricardo Ramos. Ricardo Ramos. Timothy Roundtree. Tim Roundtree. George Sharman. Anthony Zamora.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning. And Anthony Zamora, we're resetting this to May 16. Would you like to confer since you are here, or just?
Judge, I always like conferring, but there's a felony on another co-defendant out of this, and I'll reach out to the prosecutor on maybe a
That's
lighter day, but
All right.
I will always confer.
Is that the only thing you have today, Mr. Zamora?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. You have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
You too. All right. Let me call up Brett Green.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Can you mark us conferring on Mrs. Amador?
Yes, let me find out. If you have it. I just found it on Mr. Carola Amador.
Yes,
Mark
Judge.
conferring. And is Ms. Carola here, Carola Amador here?
She is, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mark, her present. All right, you'll get a breakout room any second now, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Next one is Linda Corley. Thought I saw her here. Okay. Just connecting to audio. Okay, I'll come right back. Lorena Garza.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I am here for Kevin Torres.
All right, can you give me a cause number on that, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It is 673-984.
And is Mr. Kevin Torres here, please?
He is present, Your Honor. We'd like to confirm.
Okay, I'll mark you conferring. You'll be getting a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Arnulfo Ortiz.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Isaiah Medellin, case number 638469. And I know that I've spoken with him. He said he was going to be on. I don't see him, but I think he is. And I found a motion.
I'm here.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. Mark you present.
I think it's a good idea to visit with the persecutor.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mark you conferring, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, at this time, let me call on okay, so unless I know you from a long time, it's hard for me to pick out all the attorneys. If you are an attorney, please be sure and put attorney at the end of your name. Ashley Morgan, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Judge, and I know we're missing blood discovery. He's working on getting that for me, and we will be back on May 16th.
All right, great. Thank you very much. And that's the only thing you had on the docket, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Anybody else coming back from conferring? Matthew Garrett. Who is your lawyer, sir?
Tim Roundtree.
All right, thank you. Let me see. Sir, I've already reset your case to May 16th, and so you're excused. You're welcome to log off.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. How are you? I get so distracted by the
I
Zoom.
got stuck over here in person, so I figured I'd drop just on in person.
Great. If you want to approach, make sure that that microphone is green.
Okay, it is, Judge.
Okay.
And then, Judge, I'm here on Mr. Raymond Torres, 660-134.
660-134.
And we're just awaiting the rest of the discovery, video discovery to be uploaded.
Needs more. Okay. Do you want to confer on that?
I can email them, Judge.
Okay. So I'll just reset that for May 26th. Will that work?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Have a
may he
good
be
day.
excused from Zoom.
I will tell Mr. Torres. Mr. Raymond Torres, your attorney is here, has announced on your case, and you are welcome to log off, sir. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Do you want me to turn this off or leave it on?
No, just leave it on.
May 20, what day was that in May, Judge?
It was May 26th.
May 20.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You too. All right. Any other attorneys here? All right. David
Judge,
Christie.
yes, ma'am. That's me. You were about to say my name. Thank you. David Christian here. I have two cases on page 3. Mr. Roy Rodriguez. It looks like, Judge, it's 653-222.
Thank you. I see him and I mark him present. Okay.
Thank you. And then I have Maria Ramirez, who's right underneath him, 654-471.
Okay.
Judge, if we can move. I'm sorry.
Maria Ramirez, are you here? I have a couple of iPhones, so I don't know who those are.
She's always been here. Let me double check. I'm scrolling through the gallery, Judge.
Maybe she had a problem getting on, but if you could give
Okay,
her a
but
call.
I'll give her a call. I'm in close contact with them.
All right.
Or her husband. So, Judge, two things. One,
Yes,
I'm in
I'm
trial.
here. I'm here.
Oh, she's
All
here.
right, thank you, ma'am.
There she is. She's
Sorry.
under Pilar.
My,
Pilar. There
my
she is.
microphone is yes, I'm here.
All right, thank you. All right,
Thank you.
Miss-
Judge, I was just going to ask if we could do a pretrial conference, or if not, if you need to move me to a trial setting, I totally understand. I'm currently in trial on the 437th, just down the hall from you, Judge, and we have conferred. We do not have a resolution to these yet. Mr. Rodriguez's case in particular has a assault case that we're trying to work out both cases on, and then on Miss Maria's case, if we can keep that on pretrial, but if you need to move me to trial, I totally understand.
No, I'll keep you on pretrial. So I'm going to reset both
Okay,
of those
sounds good.
cases.
We're working towards it.
Okay, May
Yes, ma'am.
26th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
So
this is,
excuse
Your Honor,
your
this is Tim
clients.
Roundtree.
I'll be with you in
All right, thank
just a second, Mr. Roundtree. So Ms. Ramirez and Mr. Rodriguez, you all are excused. You may log off at this time. I've marked you present. Just stay in touch
Thank
with
you.
your lawyer, okay? All right,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, Mr. Roundtree, I'm sorry, sir. How can I help
That's
you?
okay. I apologize, Judge. I was in the 175th.
Oh, okay, not a problem. So you have several jury trial settings.
I
You
do,
have
Judge.
Stacy Gilbert, Matthew Garrett, Lam Ho,
Yes,
Sonia Araiza. Oh, no, I'm sorry, I went too far. So those three.
it's okay.
So
Yes, ma'am.
because we're still in transition, I'm resetting these to May 16. And but would you like to confer since you are here? It's up to you.
I would like to confer, and is the May 16th, is that a trial setting or
It is a trial setting.
a status thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I would like to confer if I may.
All right, we'll put you in a breakout room. Do you want me to excuse your clients? I think I did
Please.
excuse Stacy Gilbert. You may log off and stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Thank you.
I think I just told Matthew Garrett he was excused since I had reset this. Matthew Garrett, are
I
you
believe
here?
that's correct, Judge.
Okay.
I believe
And-
he's off already, Judge.
All right, Lam Ho, you are welcome to log off, sir. Just stay in touch with your lawyer. I'm assuming that it's a man, but I don't know that for sure. Lam Ho.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is, Judge. Yes.
All right. Okay, you'll get a breakout room any second now, Mr. Roundtree, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Your Honor, could you give ADA Sanchez co-host privileges?
Yes. Let me do that right now. Okay.
Excuse me, Judge. On page 4, we have a Spanish speaker.
And is it going to be for, okay, is that person, what's your cause number on?
661816. He has 2 cases.
Paramo Gutierrez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Anderson, is Paul Anderson here yet? No, I don't think he has. All right, so does he still have Mr. Anderson as his attorney?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
So is Mr. Maximino Paramo Gutierrez here? ¿Está aquí el señor Paramo Gutierrez? Ah, sí, ya lo veo. Ok, gracias. Quiero hacer la anotación que usted está presente. Vamos a esperar su abogado, ¿ok? Gracias.
Judge, excuse me, I did receive a motion for continuance on him.
Okay.
I received it this morning.
All right, so then I'm going to excuse him. All right, señor Gutiérrez, va a necesitar regresar el 26 de mayo, ¿ok? Va a ser la próxima audiencia, mayo 26, y necesita usted presentarse sin falta a las 10 de la mañana. ¿Está bien? Ok, entonces ahorita se puede retirar. Muchísimas gracias. Okay, 10:25. I do see another attorney in the courtroom. Do you want to approach? Good morning. How are you today?
Good. I was in the 227th. I have a Brandon Suarez. I spoke with him yesterday. He should have the link, but I don't know if I've seen him.
Brandon Suarez, are you here, sir? Brandon Suarez,
673-161, page 5.
thank you. He is not answering, so I think he's not here.
Okay. And I have an announcement, Judge. We applied for PTD, but we haven't gotten an acceptance or rejection yet. So if we
So
could
just
reset
awaiting
it-
that?
What's that?
You're just awaiting that?
Correct.
All right. Okay, so,
We submitted it sometime in like towards the middle of March.
yeah, well, we're still trying to catch up with everything,
Right.
so, okay, so, that's fine. I'm going to reset that to May 26th. Could you give Mr. Suarez a call and ask him to show up just so I can mark him present?
Yeah, let
please?
me go out in the hall and I'll call him.
Okay, thank
right
you very
back.
much. You have a good day. All right. Are there any other, Mary Peterzak, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I'm here on two cases. If I could confer with the prosecutor.
All right, and what two cases are those?
Yes, Judge, let me pull those up. It's going to be Diana Herrera, case number 664363.
Okay.
And then Mr. David Guzman. I'm not sure which case number he's on the docket for today, because I know he's also on the docket on Wednesday. So I guess I would ask the court if we can appear on Wednesday and try to take care of all of his cases at the same time.
Okay, you just want to, are they here? Are Ms. Herrera and Mr. Guzman here? I see Ms.
Mr.
Herrera.
Guzman is here. Ms. Herrera should be here. Yes,
See
she
her.
is here, Judge.
Okay, so I will recall this on Wednesday. Ms. Guzman, Ms. Herrera and Mr. Guzman do not need to come back on Wednesday. I've marked you present. And your attorney is going to come back and confer on that Wednesday, which is going to be the 27th.
Well,
April
Judge,
27th.
so Mr. Guzman has cases set on Wednesday. So I was hoping like him and I could come back on Wednesday to handle all of those cases together. But Ms. Herrera, I just need to check with the prosecutor. I don't think that there has been formal charges filed on this case yet. And so I just need to double check with them on that.
Okay, all right. So you want to confer right now, or you want to check on Wednesday?
Yes, Judge, if I could confer right now on Ms. Herrera's case, and then if I could come back on Wednesday with Mr. Guzman.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay. You'll get a breakout room, and I'm going to reset Herrera to May 26th.
Excellent. Thank you, Judge.
Right. And then, you know what? And so Mr. Guzman is coming back Wednesday. So at
Yes,
that
Judge.
time, we'll try to reset until May 26th. All right, you'll
Excellent.
get a
Thank you,
breakout
Judge.
room any. So Ms. Herrera and Mr. Guzman, you may be excused and you may log off at this time. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Would you want to approach?
Present on Denise Martinez,
Denise Martinez, you have a cause number on that, please?
680565.
680-565.
Unless she's on Zoom. I have not had contact with her yet.
Okay, Denise Martinez, are you here? Denise Martinez, will you please answer? Denise Martinez, okay. You don't have a good number for her?
I've got a number, but no response.
Okay. Well, what I'm going to do, did you want to confer anyway, or do you?
I'll just email to confirm.
Okay, all right. All right, so I'm going to, if you don't think you can call her and have her appear today, right?
I've called multiple times, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to do a bond forfeiture, but I'm not going to issue the warrant until 7 days from today. So if you're able to get a hold of her.
Understood. Thank you.
That's it.
Maybe
Thank you.
she's.
Yes, sir. Take care. Counselor, did you need to approach for anything else? Did you?
Judge, Mr. Suarez has appeared.
Okay, where is Mr. Suarez? Would you please say something, sir, so I could see you? Mr.
Hello?
Suarez?
Hello?
iPhone 13, is that you?
No, this is, I'm right here.
All right, Mr. Suarez, thank you very much, sir. I'm marking you present. And,
Thank you.
all right, stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much. You may log off, Mr. Suarez. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so at this time, I see Mr. Ortiz. Did you have a chance to confer?
I did confer, Your Honor, and I'd like to have this call back ASAP. We were offered PTD. I need an opportunity to visit with my client in person. I know he's online, and I want to see him here in the office in person. And then we can come back ASAP with the court to see how we're going to proceed.
All right, so I'm going to reset that to May 26th as a backup, but you can come back in anytime that you need to, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Right, so at this time, I'm going to excuse Mr. Medellin. He may log off. You have a wonderful day, Mr. Ortiz.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Corley, I see you finally were able to log in. You were having a hard time, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here on Peter Moeller, and it is on page 6 of the docket.
Page 6.
681566.
Okay.
And Judge, he has a pending felony I'm trying to work out, and I'm just requesting a reset.
Okay, we'll reset it to May 26th. Oh, pending felony. Are you the attorney on the felony?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let's come back. June 27.
I'm sorry, when?
June 27.
27. Thank you, Judge. May my client I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mr. Morler may log off.
Thank you.
You may log off, sir. Thank you. All right. Mr. Brett Green, you had a chance to confer?
I have, Judge. That we are going to reset that. Prosecution needs to contact the felony division. We have a pending felony in that matter, so I will need a reset on that case.
Oh. So are you the attorney on the felony also?
I am.
Okay, we'll come back on June the 27th. Okay.
All right, Judge, thank you so much. May my client be excused?
Yes, sir. And you may log off, sir. I don't remember the name. I didn't write it down. So
This is
Mr.
Amador.
Okay, Ms. Amador, you may log off at this time, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you, Ms. Green.
Hey, Judge, have a great day.
Mr. Ruiz, pull your vehicle over, please.
Lorena Garza, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You had a
We-
chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor, we did. We're going to go ahead and wait for the state to put together an offer. And so we're going to ask for a reset so that I have time to kind of review that with my client, see how he wants to proceed.
All right. Let's reset that to May 26th.
Okay, that sounds good, Your Honor.
All right.
Maybe be
Thank you
excused.
very much, Ms. Garza. You and your clients are excused. Yes, you may log off. Thank you. Have a
great
good day. Anybody else in the courtroom that I need to call on? Say that again?
They have attorneys already.
Okay, great.
I'm waiting for them to show up so I can let them know their clients.
Okay. Rick Ramos, right? He's one of them.
You called him, but he didn't answer. On the trial docket.
Yes, he is. Actually, I can probably excuse his clients.
Cliff Garcia,
Cliff Garcia, sir, will you approach?
670-279.
Okay. Sir, your lawyer is busy in another court. So we have reset your trial to May 16th. Okay, write that down so that you'll know when your trial is coming up, okay? All right, sure. And just stay in touch with your lawyer.
That Zoom address, is it a current number that I could use to log in? So
You'll
doesn't show
probably
up
get a
again.
different one.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I
it's a
think
different
that
one every time?
changes from meeting to meeting, okay?
thank
But you will get notice. And just stay in touch with your lawyer because he also is going to get notice, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. So is Mr. Javier Solis Lira here? Oh, there's Mr. Ramos.
Yes, he's here. I'm
Good
present.
morning. How are you today?
Good, Judge. I apologize. I was stuck in the 289th. I'm just finished.
I understand, sir. So I know that you had some trial settings, but we are in a bit of a transition right now. So I'm resetting all the jury trials that were scheduled on today's docket to May 16th. And I just advised Cliff Garcia, who is here in the courtroom, of the new trial date and excused him.
Okay, perfect. I'll give Mr. Garcia a call here shortly, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Javier Solis Lira, I don't know if he's on Zoom.
He's
Yeah,
on
there's
Zoom,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Javier
Yes.
Solis, okay. And so at this time, Mr. Solis is welcome to log off and stay in touch with Mr. Ramos, sir. Okay. All right.
I invited them in Spanish, Your Honor. Mr. Solis, ahorita te hablo, ok? Ya te puedes salir del corte, ok?
Okay, great. All right. And did you want to confer on these, Mr. Ramos, by
Yes,
chance?
Judge. I have some time, so if I can get into a breakout room with the state, that'd be great.
We'll put you in a breakout room pretty soon, okay?
Okay, thank you. Your Honor.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, in case number 670-279 for Mr. Cliff Garcia, I actually submitted a dismissal on that case on Friday. It just is yet to be signed.
Okay, all right. So Mr. Ramos, I'm sure he heard that in time. Okay. Okay, so at this time,
Rick Ramos' case was dismissed. I can go tell him in the breakout room, Judge. I don't think he heard.
okay, okay, great. Thank you.
He's still in the court.
He's still on Zoom,
The
Mr.
other
Ramos?
client's still in the courtroom.
Oh, yeah. No, that was Cliff Garcia that we just excused from the courtroom, right? Oh, he's still here. Okay, sir.
He said it was dismissed at his case?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah, you are excused, sir. Your case has been dismissed. And so just stay in touch with your lawyer. He'll explain everything to you, okay? Thank you. All right, so at this time, Saúl Gallegos. Saúl Gallegos. Can you unmute yourself, sir, please? Just click on that little icon that looks like a microphone. There you go.
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Mr. Gallegos, I already heard the announcement from your lawyer. And she was here and I reset your jury trial to May the 16th. So I believe she's conferring, but you don't have to wait. You can just stay in touch with her offline, okay? So I'm going to excuse you at this time, Mr. Gallegos, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. All right, Sonia Araiza, we're waiting for your lawyer. Can you unmute yourself, ma'am, please?
Good morning.
Good morning. We're waiting for your lawyer. He's busy in another court, but we are resetting your jury trial to May the 16th. So you're welcome to log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Okay. So I see a young woman who has only iPhone as her video name. Can you please unmute yourself, ma'am?
Armandina Martinez.
Armandina Martinez. Okay, who's your lawyer, ma'am?
Thomas Beck.
Okay, let me find that. He's still busy in another court. You're welcome to wait for him, or if you have to be someplace, I see you were in a vehicle. I can excuse you. I'm sorry?
Yes, he knows that I'm on here with my friend.
Oh, okay. You don't mind waiting?
No, I don't mind waiting.
Okay. All right, fine. All right, thank you very much, ma'am. I'll mark you present. All right.
Thank you.
Ms. Chilkowski, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry, I've been in the 175th to report in person, so sorry I'm late.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I understand, though. All right, so you're here on who today?
Xavier Flores, and I
Okay, do you have a
believe
cause number for me?
I do. It is. It is 658516.
Okay. Now, I don't see Mr. Flores. Do you know if he's going to be here today?
He logged in, but I had sent him the link. But I believe Ms. Sanchez was supposed to be submitting a dismissal. There were some things we were going to do up front, and we had submitted those to her. So she told us that she was going to submit the dismissal.
Oh, okay. So then do you need to follow up and confer, or do you just?
Yeah, that would be great if she's available. And then I'll have my office make sure that Mr. Flores is on as well.
I'm going to give you a backup date of May 26th, just in case something has come up.
Okay.
But it'll just fall off the docket as soon as it gets signed, okay? So you'll get a breakout room any second.
Thank you.
Your Honor, that dismissal is in your inbox.
Okay,
So
so
it was sent to you Friday afternoon, Judge.
okay. So Ms. Chilkowski, I haven't had a chance to sign it yet, but Ms. Sanchez tells me that it's there. So obviously it will get signed. And you can go up and do something else. I know you all are very busy. Thank you.
I appreciate it. And Judge, thank you also for recalling the warrant on my client, Michael Carter. I appreciate that.
Oh, yeah. Well, he needs to make sure that he follows the bond.
I have
Okay.
him every which way to, yes. And he has an appointment tomorrow to get that done. So thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Bye-bye. You too.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Good morning, Judge. May I approach?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. I have a client who has a felony sent to impact court this morning, and they're willing to dismiss that felony for a plea on one of your cases.
Okay, what is the cause number on that? Don't know. I didn't get any information yet.
Your cause number is 650-267, Adrian Barbiera.
Okay, 650-267.
I don't believe he's on your docket until May.
Oh, okay. All right, 650-267. And Adrian,
Barbiera.
I've seen that name before. Okay, and so you basically want to,
Plea today if you would allow us to.
Okay,
and
sure.
That way we can just knock everything out.
right, that is not going to be a problem, but have you gotten an offer from our
The felony
ADAs?
prosecutor made an offer.
Yeah,
He should be sending it to your prosecutors.
okay. Mr. King. I guess he's confirming.
Yes, Your Honor.
On 650-267.
650-257.
267. The attorney is here wanting to see if we can get into the 1:30 plea docket on that. It's part of the agreement with the felony court. And so do you know if we have the paperwork on that?
I can look it up right now. If you
Okay.
like, I could, oh, she's there in court. Okay, so just give me a
Yes.
second. Let me look it up in our system. Just can make sure that felonies documented it. If not, I might need to reach out to felony.
Okay, all right.
Jason V. Garcia is the felony prosecutor.
Jason Garcia is the felony prosecutor. Okay, so Counselor, what is your name?
Jacqueline Lamerson.
Jacqueline, Lamerson.
SON.
Okay, can we put her in a breakout room and she can go ahead and talk to
Or I
Mr.
can
King?
walk back. I'm not part of the public defender's office. I can walk back to my office and get on Zoom if that's easier.
Oh, well, because you're going to have to be on Zoom, so just to be able to get the paperwork, I guess.
That's
It'll be easier, I think.
Yeah, whatever works for the court works for me.
Mr. King?
Yes, Your Honor. So there actually is a notation here from this morning from Mr. Garcia. 24 months deferred, 80 hours of community service. So I can prepare that paperwork. I will just need the email address of, is he detained?
He is not. He is
He is
online.
present in the courtroom.
Okay, well, if he has the email address, and I also need the defense attorney's email address, and I can prepare the paperwork.
So if you can get on Zoom on your phone?
I can, or I can walk back to my office. I'm in the Pat Tower.
Okay, whatever you prefer. That way you can just get the paperwork started.
Very good. And does somebody have the Zoom code handy? All right, very good. We will jump right on. Thank you,
Okay.
Judge. I appreciate you.
Oh,
having
sure.
us.
Happy to help. You have a good day. Thank you. Okay, so let me see. Mr. Ramos, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Your Honor. Ms. Sanchez is going to be reviewing Mr. Solis. We might have a resolution with that. And on Mr. Alonso, I believe the court has received a dismissal. We're just pending that signature. So whenever the court gets around to that.
All right, so I had reset everything to May 16. I'll just go ahead and keep that. And if obviously things get worked out before that, it'll just come off their docket.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much. May I be excused this morning, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.
You too.
So Mr. Ramos, before you go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just, that's all right. I just figured out the answer. That's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. right, so.
Sound of nature today, Church. The sound of nature.
What is that?
Birds in the back of his car. It's in the doors open, Mr. Ruiz. Birds in the background. Yeah, reach of Omaha, walking.
Well, you know, it's just, it's a joyful thing.
Oh, it's better than the alternative, the other kind of noise in the background.
That's a nice thing about spring. You, it's noisy, but it's nice.
I've always liked kids in the playground laughing.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Judge,
Yes.
Attorney Barron's, he's in the 175th.
Okay, so Ms. Puga, ma'am, your attorney, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So your attorney is in another court on a felony, so it may take a while. Do you want me to excuse you so you can go about doing your other things, or do you want to wait for him? Whichever you choose is fine.
Can you excuse me, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to excuse you at 10:50. Thank you. You have a good day. Stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
I will. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ali Al-Samar Rai.
Yeah.
Your attorney is Robert Garza. He is still in another court, sir. Do you wish to be excused? I'll just go ahead and document it, mark you present.
So I thought it was Angela Blake that was attending today. Robert Garza. should have been-
Angela Blake had something come up, and I
Oh.
think Ms. Strand, what was the thing about Ms. Blake? Was she tied up in something else?
No, she requested the Zoom.
Yeah,
Oh,
she.
All right. All right, then. If you prefer to wait for her, it's not a problem, but I do have it on my docket. Well, no, I guess it's,
She just entered, Your Honor. As well, this might be set for a plea.
he is set for a plea?
It might be, but Miss Blake just entered.
Oh, okay. No, that's Miss Lamerson. Good morning, Miss Lamerson. So do you all just need to be in a breakout room, Mr. King? We'll put you in a breakout room, Miss Lamerson, and you can confer with Mr. King, okay?
Very good. Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Tran, will you take care of that, please?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I
Miss
will.
Blake. Good morning, Miss Blake. How are you today?
Good, Judge. I'm waiting to hear from the immigration attorney. She should be joining here this
Okay.
morning, and then I can talk to her and my client in a breakout room. I'm going to text her right now. We should have with all that working out, we should have a plea. But like I said, there's just that one issue that needs to be addressed before.
All right. I see. So Mr. Al-Samarai has another case with Robert Garza. Are you aware of that, Ms.?
Yes, Judge. As part of the plea bargain, that case was going to be dismissed, TIC, for a plea on the one that I'm representing him on. And so that would be the part that, yeah, if everything works out and I could get her in, then we're good.
All right. So we're just waiting.
Yeah, Miss Lyra, Melanie Lyra is the attorney that I'm looking for. I'm gonna text her right now and see if she can log on.
All right, great, thanks.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. Is Alita gone?
Say that again?
Alita
She's retiring.
gone.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll miss her.
Yeah, we all do. So, unfortunately. Okay, so
We still have you.
you're gonna be stuck with me for another 4 years.
Thank you. Good. Bye.
You have a great day. So
Judge, he's starting our paperwork. Did you want us to hang out or wait, come back at 1:30?
I just come back at 1:30.
Okay.
Okay?
Very
We'll
good,
see.
man. For now?
Yes, thank you very much. We'll see you at 1:30. Thanks. I'm going to take a minute to sign some orders. I'll be back in a minute. Does this gentleman have a lawyer?
Robert Mauer.
Oh, okay. Mr. Godby? Sir, would you like for me to excuse you? I've already marked you present. If you need to go and take care of other things, but you're welcome to wait, whatever you want to do. I could not hear what you said. You want to go and come back? Yeah, the date to come back is May 16. Okay? All right, sir. Thank you. Yes, you may. Good morning.
Your Honor, the auditor is sitting on this voucher. Can I submit it again?
And you're sure?
That one, what's the date on the bottom right there? The original signature. Oh, that one's taking a felony voucher.
July 27.
Of 21.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I haven't been paid in going on a year.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Sure, not a problem.
You might take it back there, Judge.
Yeah, that'll be
Okay,
fine.
Thanks.
You have a good day.
You too.
Judge,
Yes.
I see Melanie Lira has joined. Is it possible to put in a breakout room with my client, Melanie and I?
You need to have a breakout room with
Yes,
Miss
please.
Clara. Sure.
Yes, please.
Let me do that right now. I'm going to send you to room 3, Miss Blake, and I'll send Miss Lyra there too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can my client also be added in?
Sure. Let me put her in there right now. Ali Al Samara. That's the
Yes.
one, right? Okay.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
So when you get that prompt, just click on it. Okay. No, Judge Barnes, how are you? I'm going to ask you to put that coat on. Sorry? Been one of those days, huh?
Just the weather.
We put the air conditioning pretty cold in here though, right?
Yeah. I'm here on Adriana.
Yes, I did excuse her. She was here, marked her present. And you are, let me see. That's just pretrial still. What do you want to do on that? Did you want to confer? Do you want to just offline or? Okay. So,
Well, if they want to just send me an offer, we can go from there. Let me check my email. Maybe they did.
okay. Oh. Mr. Hardy, will you unmute yourself, please? Good
Certainly.
morning.
Good morning.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm signing orders and I just stopped my video so I could do that.
That's all right. I'm sorry I've been late. I've been stuck in 13. So
Oh, I understand. No, it's all right. So you're here. I did see your client here earlier.
yes, ma'am. She's
yeah.
still present.
Ms. Mejia, yes. What would you like to do, Mr. Hardy?
Judge, I believe I should confer with the state.
Okay. Shall I excuse your client so she can go and take care of other business?
I think so, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Mejia, if you'll unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Your lawyer, as you see, is here. He's going to confer with the state. So I'm going to excuse you. I've marked you present and you can just catch up with him later on today. You call him or he'll call you, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, you too.
All right, so Mr. Hardy, you want to confer? We'll put you in a breakout room and you will get to talk to one of the prosecutors.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you. Oh, you know what? Let me give you a reset date, Mr. Hardy. Okay, Ms. Trans fast. Okay. Mr. Statson, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Pretty busy. I've had several trial settings today. Apologize being late.
It's like it's the stress doesn't go away, does it? I mean, it just seems like every day there's something. Okay, so you are here on who today?
I have two clients, Jason Garza and Miguel Alvarado.
Okay. I see Mr. Alvarado. Is he here? Mr. Miguel Alvarado, are you here, sir? I see Mr. Garza.
I see Mr. Garza. I've had excellent contact with both Mr. Alvarado and I text frequently. He had responded that he would be here. I don't know if he checked in.
Okay. Yeah, if you can give him another call. So would you like to confer on this while you're here?
Yes, I need to confer.
Okay, let me mark you conferring. And you're going to breakout room any second now. Do you want me to excuse Mr. Jason Garza? Or you want to talk to him after you come back?
It's okay if you excuse him because I believe we have a plea set up. I'm not able to do a plea today because I'm in multiple courts in person.
Right. Okay. All right, Mr. Garza.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to excuse you, sir. You should be getting that breakout room, Mr. Stateson, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You can log off at this time, Mr. Garza. Just stay in touch with your lawyer. He's getting ready to confer with the state on your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Judge Barron's.
I do have an offer on Ms. Puga's case, so.
Okay.
It's kind of a two-way offer, so.
All right.
I told her to call me after her appointment and I'll talk over the offers with her and see what she wants to do.
I'm going to reset it to May 26th as a backup, okay?
Okay.
I mean, if y'all get something worked out, fine, but just to keep
Will
track
that
of
be
it.
by Zoom, Judge?
It will be by Zoom,
Okay.
okay?
All right, thanks.
You have a great day. Thank you.
Judge, can I approach?
Yes.
I just need one of the prosecutors to come join us in 3. We have an issue that they're going to want to hear about.
All right. So Mr. King is conferring. Ms. Sanchez, can you join Ms. Blake?
She was just here. I didn't see her.
She's in breakout 2.
Oh, she's in 2? Oh, with Mr.
Attorney
Stateson.
Statson.
Okay, we do move fast, so she's now. So as soon as either she or Mr. King get free, they'll go ahead and join you in 3.
Okay. Do you want me to
2
wait
and
here and
4
then
is
if I
where
see
they
him,
are.
I'll alert you?
Yeah.
Okay.
If say that again, because something happened to your audio.
Oh, sorry. I can wait here and then once I see one of them come back in, I can alert you.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Thank you.
All right.
And there's Jeff, just like you said, very fast.
All right, Jeff, Ms. Blake needs to confer with you in room 3, please.
Okay, I'm going.
Thank you. Mr. Hardy, did you have a chance to confer, sir?
I did, Your Honor. I spoke with Jeff and he just wants an opportunity to review some more discovery. And then he's going to email me an offer.
Okay, great. All right, let me see. On Ms. Mejia, we're going to reset that to May 26th. And I've already excused her. So will that work for you, May 26th?
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay,
just
great.
fine.
Well, you have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You as well.
Thanks, and we'll do it. Okay, so I see Mr. Khan is here. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Apologies for the tardiness. I got caught up in another court, Zoom
I
court.
totally understand. Everybody's working really fast and furious. So you are here on Gilbert Ruiz?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I think Mr. Ruiz is here, yes. Okay, what would you like to do on that? As my notes show that there's still no file. Would you like to confer with the state and see what the status is on that?
Yes, please, Judge.
All right, we'll put you in a breakout room any second, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Do you want me to excuse Mr. Ruiz or you want to talk to him after you come back?
I'll call Mr. Ruiz afterwards. He may be excused if the court would allow it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Gilbert Ruiz, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay, sir, your attorney is here. He is going to confer with the state on your case. I'm going to release you at this time. I've already marked you present. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? You may you may log off the Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right. I just saw Mr. Stateson. Yes, Mr. Stateson, you had a chance to confer, right?
Yes, I did. On the first person, Jason Garza, I verified with Karina that we have accepted a plea offer. I signed paperwork. I need Mr. Garza to sign it. I'm just not able to do it today, Your Honor.
Okay. That's fine. I'll just reset his case to May 26th as a backup because life gets so busy, we don't know, right? So, and then on Mr. Alvarado also, right? Did
I
you
need
were you-
another, I conferred on him. I texted him to join. When I spoke with Karina, she wanted to double check background criminal history. And I don't have an offer yet, but Karina's going to review the file and make
Okay.
an offer by email later.
Okay, so we'll just go ahead and reset both of those to May 26.
Okay, that works.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good
Have a
day.
good- You too.
And Your Honor, if I may,
Yes, sir.
for Mr. Al-Samarai's case, just to save some time, we go ahead and get on the record. He is under diplomatic status, or at least it may appear that way. I need proof of that, and if there's proof of that, I just need to report it, and then we'll probably end up submitting dismissals on that case. So Miss Blake is supposed to get back with me and provide pictures and other things of his passport, just so I can cross my T's, dot my I's. So that's what's going on with that case, Your Honor.
Okay, so so I just need to reset that to May 26, right? To make sure that all that gets done first.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Oh, all right, let me do that, just so we can keep track of it. All right, so I think Mr. El-Samarai is still, I think he's still in the breakout room. Okay. I only found the one, let me see. Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Mauer. How are you today?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm
I have
good.
a Christopher Godby that I guess believe at one time was on the trial docket. I didn't realize we were back on Zoom again.
Right. Well, we never stopped. We're still staying on
He should
Zoom.
be present. He was logged on earlier. I
He-
guess we just need to keep-
Actually, I did excuse him.
Okay.
At, I think about right before 11.
Yeah, I think we just wanted to keep it on the trial docket.
Yeah. So because we're in transition, Aleda's retiring. We're resetting all these from today to May 16.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay. Obviously, if you want to confer, you're welcome. You have to get on your phone or something. to
I
get
just
on
got back in from Fredericksburg, Judge. I'll just confer off
Zoom. Oh, you
docket.
have enough on your plate right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, thank you. You have a great day.
Judge, can I approach on Mr. Al Samurai?
Actually, I'm going to reset that to May 16. Mr. King was telling me that he just needs some photographs of Mr. Alsamaray's documents or something.
Yes, yes.
So May 26.
Oh, that's my
26.
birthday.
May
I think I misspoke. May 26 is the date.
26.
26.
Gotcha.
Okay, thank you. That's my birthday. Cool.
Okay, thanks, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks, you too.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you, sir. All right, looks like I have a little break. I'm going to go back and sign some more documents. We're still waiting for Mr. Beck and several other people. Okay.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes,
Attorney Beck, page 4,
yes.
he emailed me and would like to reset this case for May 3rd for a plea. He has
All right.
another case set that same day.
Okay. Let me just get there. Okay, and that's on Miss Martinez, Armandina Martinez. I think I excused her. No,
No,
she
I'm
is still
still,
here.
I'm
Okay.
still here, Judge.
All right, ma'am. So apparently you all have worked out an agreement. And so Mr. Beck is asking that I give him a new court date since he's still tied up in another court. So I'm going to grant that. Did he ask for a specific date, Ms. Tran?
He said May 3rd at 1:30 for a plea.
Okay, I'm going to reset it to May 26th, but he can come in anytime. He can come in May 3rd as long as the paperwork is ready. Okay, Ms. Martinez.
Okay, so
Stay in touch with your lawyer. Okay,
so you said on May
26.
26th
Right.
at
But
1:30.
he was
Is
asking
it going
for a
to be?
specific date. And I'm
Oh, okay. I
giving
was just
him-
wondering if it's going to be a Zoom.
He says it's going to be a plea. I don't know. That's really up to you. But we're
Oh,
resetting.
okay. Because I didn't understand.
So I mean, you just need to talk to your lawyer and, stay updated, okay?
Okay, so May 26th.
Yeah, May 26, May 26.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you
Can I
very
log
much.
off now?
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome to log off. You have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Mr. Khan, you had a chance to confer?
Yes, Judge, we had a chance to confer. Unfortunately, there's no offer on the case. I'm not sure if it's even been filed. And so we agreed to ask for, I guess, another continuance and
All right.
date to.
I think I did see that it was a problem that there is no file. But sometimes when you talk to the state, you have an opportunity to clarify that or update it. All right, give me the cause number again. I don't remember what it was.
The cause number is 678-545.
Okay, great. Yeah, I see there is no file. So I just thought maybe if the state had an update, they could share that with you. We're going to reset that to May 26, okay, Mr. Khan?
Thank you very much, Judge. I believe May 26th, that works perfectly. And I believe that's all I have in your court.
Wonderful. You have a great afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank
I
you.
think it was Corolla. I did excuse her earlier. Okay. Corolla Amador. I excused her earlier. Okay. Okay. Morning, Mr. Beck. How are you today?
Oh, I'm feeling kind of strange today.
Really?
I'm just a little bit under the weather.
Yeah, maybe it's the weather itself.
You never know.
Okay, so you are here on Armandina Martinez.
Yes, I am.
Okay, and she was here earlier. I understand you were tied up in another court. So I told her that I was resetting this to May 26th.
Okay.
Will that work for you?
Well, you know, who knows, Judge?
Say that again?
Or who knows? I've been getting so many settings lately and they just pile in.
Yeah, you need to do a list every day to see where you need to be, huh?
Oh, I know where to be. It's just that it's difficult to be everywhere at once. And we have some judges in person and some judges not. And it's a little bit
Yeah. No, we're going to continue to do our dockets on Zoom.
Well, I like the Zoom,
Well, it does help some, right?
but yeah, I mean, it does.
Okay. So did you want to confer with the state while you're here, or you just want to
Oh,
confer?
yes.
offline?
Yes, I would like to confer.
Let me put you in line for that. Good morning. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
That about one of your rooms in the back?
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
yes. Yes,
Is
I'll be
anybody-
right back.
Oh,
Yeah, I was signing some orders, Mr. Beck.
oh, okay. I never, there was no prosecutor in the breakout room.
You didn't get to talk to a prosecutor?
No, I did not.
Okay, Ms. Sanchez, can you help Mr. Beck in a breakout room, please? Maybe they're already conferring. Let me see where they are. Okay.
I'll meet with him, Your Honor.
I
I'm
can
sorry
go in
about
his
that.
breakout room, Judge. I was just trying to send some stuff to you to sign. I can do that.
Okay,
That-
either
that's
one.
fine. I didn't know. I just thought maybe they had gone to lunch. or
Yeah.
something. So I'll be
No,
waiting.
no. These are the hardest working prosecutors in the whole courthouse. They work and they produce. They're very, very, very good, very productive. So yeah, one will come and join you in a second, Mr. Beck, okay?
Take their time. I was just making sure.
Okay, just go back and you'll be joined in a second.
I will. Plenty of time, Judge.
Thanks.
Judge, may I address the court?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I did confer, and I confirmed the offer, and I'm going to be talking to my client. So if it turns out that we can settle, I have the email from the prosecutor, and we'll let you know one way or another. If not, we'll see you May 26th.
That's correct. We'll see you on May 26th if you all don't do a plea before that, okay?
Right. I'm going to call her right now. Hopefully she'll answer.
All right, you have a great afternoon. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Did I miss something, Judge? Everything okay?
Oh, yeah, everything's fine. I think we're just, I think we have one lawyer that did not get here yet, Mr.
Okay.
Tochi. Actually, three, Tochi, Kalfas, and Sadovsky. But it should be in 5 minutes. We're going to break for lunch.
Okay.
We'll come back at 1:30 to do any pleas that we have.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Judge, Attorney Tochi did come in the office and he had several courts he had to go to first.
Okay. So we just reset him?
He said he would be back, so I didn't give him a reset.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He said he'll just, he was just wanted to check in, let us know he was gonna be late.
Yeah, I think we'll just give him, it's an arraignment. Let's just reset that to May 26 if he happens to call you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you. So has Gable Sadomsky called you, Ms. Tran, by any chance?
No, and I have not received any email either.
Okay. How about,
Yeah, the same for Kalfas, Neil.
Yeah, somebody came in for him, right?
I don't know. Was it Miss
Not
Lamerson?
sure.
Was it Miss Lamerson?
Maybe so, huh? Let's see, who was that case? The case that we were looking at that we're going to do a plea on, was that by the Badillo? Let me see if I wrote it down. No, Barbinea, something like that. Barbinea.
Okay.
Judge, what I have down for Miss Lamerson was something that was not, that I didn't see on our docket. 650267, a plea today at 1:30. And it was
Right.
on our
And so,
docket.
isn't that
Adrian Daniel.
Adrian Barbineau, right?
Yeah, Barbiera.
Barbiera, yeah. I can't read my writing. Yeah, that's what it is, Barbiera. And so they're going to do a plea at 1:30. But that's who, I don't know who would have come in for Mr. Kalfas. He doesn't always come in. So I don't know what the status of that is. Okay, it is 12 o'clock. Are we hungry? I think we are going to break for lunch. Let us do that.
Do I just sign off, Judge, and then sign back